I'm AMRAS Afsal, and I'm a student at Ravensbourne University doing my master's in project management. So today I'm here to talk about the process that one of the tasks that is given to me for my module. The module's name is Sustainable Project Management, and the task I was given was to set up a service that truly supports sustainability and take through processes that, because in every aspect, supports sustainability in every aspect. So I would like to do it with the help of presentation. So I'd like to share my screen for that. So in today's age, where we talk about sustainability, is like the one of the most sought out elements or the word that we've been hearing for the past maybe 5 6 years, because it has turned out to be a marketing aspect, uh, because you never succeed or people have realized about the importance of sustainability. So this, I would like to jump into our product here. So our product here is a seed paper. So basically, it's a revolutionary product, and what we have innovated is we have a piece of paper and we put it into a like, so for example, like if we get companies that use price tags or maybe a simple business card. So what do you do with it? You look at it, or you see the numbers and you throw it away. So when we embed seeds into the manufacturing process, you simply put it into a pot, and then it blossoms into tomatoes. I mean, the small tomatoes, obviously, and flowers and herbs. And so people really don't feel like throwing away paper, because it's basically life. It not just makes paper into life. So that's our product. And it's not just any paper venture, it's a movement, because in this new era, a truly sustainable product like this, we have no end product for this. So that's our product, and our company will be delivering uh, corporate solutions for maybe business cards and other clothing companies. And this product will be launched to Europe, UK market. So that is about our company. And here I would like to take you through a small process. I mean, this processes that I've been following for. It was a learning process for me, because obviously this is a hypothetical situation, but I've taken everything in the realistic market and things like that, because this is what I should be doing in the future. So I would taken every element of this very seriously. So I could take so many aspects and talk about it, because I didn't have enough words. I've taken the most important elements, which I think is crucial for the launching of a new company in a market like UK. So first and foremost thing is the uh, needs, the statement of needs, that like why you need it in the market. Does the market ask for your product, or is it solving a problem? So that was market analysis. So we have chosen UK market, and it's a very environmentally conscious market, and it was impressive. I mean, the statistics were impressive as to how much people are switching into sustainable options when you have this one. So it's our product is apt for the market, and our target market is obviously the United Kingdom, and it ranges. I mean, we can obviously expand in the latter stages to Europe and everything. So next, I would like to take is stakeholders. Choosing the right stakeholders is very important for the project. So we need to, like in our cases, the stakeholders are obviously our project teams and our investors and our employees. Everyone is a stakeholder, but obviously investors are a key part for any project. So our this is explaining how why investors are going to fund us, because our product is a truly, because many corporate companies can put, at the end of the day, it's all about marketing. So there's a great marketing aspect to our product, because it's 100% sustainable, because there is no end product for this, because you're not throwing away anything, it's just blossoming into a living thing. So people will be more interested, and it has a environmental and social positive impact on all that, and there's a high return on investment, obviously. And so that's how it is. So this is a grid that I've developed, so that to keep a communication plan between our stakeholders. So this was very helpful for me during the development. And this is one of the other tools, because to make it's because our product being sustainable is not enough. Thing is, working on our suppliers and how they are truly sustainable in all their practices, like employers and other sourcing and things like that. So we had to go through a lot of screening. Process for so this method. This tool of supplier assessment was as matrix was really helpful in this process. So after careful consideration and everything, we have shortlisted two products. Two suppliers for each of our primary raw materials. That is, one is recycled material and pulp. So that here we can see that the scores, we have taken all the categories into aspects and chosen the right one for us, and as seeds as well, because the pricing and the quality and everything. So that was a very useful tool for me during this project. And obviously, and another step is after supplier, we have to analyze the risks that are coming up here. So this was also a very useful tool for me, because basically, if you get enough information about, not information, if you get an idea about the areas that are going to be high in risk or low in risk, you can give your attention more to that part. So this risk register helped me to keep tabs about the possible scenarios that are going to be that is going to come up and be risk. So here I think this is some of the basic uh, register that I've been making for this venture. So the most riskiest element is obviously the employees and sick. That is going to be constant for everything. So that we can't avoid it, but we can still make insurance and health checkup. So that is something we have to note before starting our hiring process. But the most important risk is obviously the market risk, because there's a lot of competition of sustainable products, and so we need to implement, and it's just not one product is not going to be enough. We need to diversify and improve our R&D and implement strategies to overcome that. So this risk register was also a very useful tool for me. So, and there are many other things like stakeholder analysis, and all these tools, they combine together and make me a better project manager in this aspect. So some of the studies those on the I've learned, and this our success factors were all the we have specific teams for everything, and it was totally, this whole process was a profound experience for me, because I could learn what are the to be ready for the risks that are coming, or how can, like, the many aspects that I should be considered from choosing my right supplier and keeping sustainability element and intact, because it's not just about a word, it's about how good you carry it out, the sustainability, and truly give it back to the nature and things like that. So some we did the risk analysis in detail, and overall, when we conclude after this campaign, even though it is hypothetical, I have taken it as a very realistic scenario. So I've learned a lot of things about how much we need to be invested, or how we can successfully launch a product into the market, and the consideration, and how to keep the sustainability factor intact, because the areas that we should be checking and aligning, so that our true product is truly sustainable and things like that. So it was a very interesting campaign for me, and that is it. Thank you.